Okay, my students, we are discussing on the female urinogenital system that is found on the frog. And we have seen the first part, which is found within the female frog, that is the kidney and its function. But here, my students, we are going to discuss the another part, which is the ureter. The ureter also is the part which is found within the female frog. So, what is the function of this ureter in the female frog? Here we are saying that each kidney is connected to a ureter, which is a tube that carries urine from the kidney to the cloaca. So in the frog, the ureter are relatively short. So within the frog, they have relatively short ureter. So wanayo ile ureter structure, lakini inakuwa ni fupi sana. Lakini sasa kazi ya ureter ndani ya female frog is only for the transportation of the urine. Tunasema ina carries urine from the kidney to the cloaca. That is only function of the ureter within the female frog. And remember, the function of ureter within the female frog, it is quite different from the function of the ureter in the male frog. So here you have to keep it into your mind that the female frog or ureter which is found within the female frog is only for transportation of the urine from the kidney to the cloaca. And apart from that structure, also this organism, they have another urinogenital system, and this is cloaca. So what is the cloaca now? Here we are saying that the cloaca is the common chamber that receives the urine from the ureter, as well as the feces from the intestine and reproductive product from the reproductive system. It serves as the exit point of the waste and the reproductive materials. So if also you have to differentiate between the cloaca which is found within the male frog and the female frog. Kwa sababu within the female frog tunasema kwamba hii cloaca inakuwa ina act as exit point of different kinds of waste and also reproductive purpose. That is reproductive material. What are the reproductive material are removed by the female frog? The reproductive material that are removed by cloaca, which is found within the female frog, is an egg. An egg is removed or it exits through a structure which is called cloaca, which is found within the female frog. So usiseme tu reproductive materials. So hapo utasema reproductive material, then utaweka in bracket an egg kama umeambiwa kwa female frog. Lakini kama umeambiwa kwa male frog, hapa hivi utaweka the sperm kwa male frog. And apart from that, this organism also, they have another structure that is ovaries. They have another structure that is called an ovary. So what is the ovary? What is the function of the ovary in the female frog? So here we are saying that female frogs possesses a pairs of ovaries that are responsible for producing the egg or an ova. So the ovaries are located near the kidneys and can be quite large during the breeding season due to the presence of developing egg. So hii ovaries tunasema kwamba yenyewe iko responsible kwa ajili ya kutengeneza mayai ndani ya frog. And these ovaries, we have said that they are located near the kidney. So during now fertile season, au tunasema kama kile kipindi sasa cha mvua nyingi au yule frog ameenda kwenye sehemu ya maji, ndio ambayo tunaita laying season. So pale ambapo sasa patakuwa na ile laying season, ndipo ambapo patakuwa na development of more eggs which are found within the female frogs. And remember, the female frog, it consists of a lot of egg. Mayai yanakuwa mengi sana na yale mayai yanakuwa na rangi ya nyeusi au meupe. So ukimdissect yule female frog, the first sign is to show you that the female frog is you can see their egg that is found within their body, and it will indicate that that is a female frog. And not only that, we have said that these eggs are growing during breeding season due to the presence of the developing egg. So hizo eggs zinakuwa ule muda wa breeding season, and the breeding season here of the frog is the rainy season. And also, apart from that, this organism, they have another structure that is oviduct. So what is the oviduct now? Or what is the function of oviduct that is found within the female urinogenital system? So here we can say that from the ovaries, the egg are traveled through the oviduct, which are tubes that lead to the cloaca. In the frog, the oviduct also play a role in the fertilization process, as they secrete a substance that help in the formation of the gel-like egg mass. So tunasema kwamba hii oviduct inakuwa na kazi kuu mbili kwa hawa organism. Kazi ya kwanza is for transportation of the egg from the ovaries into the cloaca kwenda kwenye outside environment. Kazi ya pili, hii oviduct tumesema ina secrete the gel-like mass. Gel-like egg mass. Hii gel-like egg mass ndiyo ambayo sasa ina protect yale mayai yasiweze kuharibika kwa urahisi zaidi akiwa kwenye maji. So hii gel-like an egg mass ndiyo ambayo inafanya storage of that egg mpaka pale ambapo yule female frog atapandwa na yule male frog. Thereafter patakuwa na release of the sperm. Zile sperm ndizo ambazo zitaenda kufertilize ile egg, zile egg ambazo zipo ndani ya hii gel-like egg mass. But remember, this gel-like egg mass, it is produced or it is secreted by the structure which is called the oviduct. Oviduct within the female frog, it has got two roles. The first role, as I have said, is for passage, or it is for transferring of the egg or ova from the ovaries into the cloaca. The second function is for secretion of the gel-like egg mass. This gel-like egg mass, it acts as a sheet for protection of the egg that is produced during a fertility season or during breeding season. And also, this organism, they have an egg. So female frog lay eggs in the water, and these eggs are often surrounded by a gelatinous substance that provide protection and helps it to keep it moist. So that gelatinous substance, it is gel-like an egg mass. Remember, that is produced within the oviduct. But this egg inaenda kutunzwa kwenye hiyo gelatinous substance ili siweze kuharibika kwa urahisi. So this gelatinous substance ina provide protection and help them to keep moist. So yale mayai yanakuwa yana stay safe is due to the presence of the gelatinous substance. So we can conclude by saying that overall the urinogenital system, the female frog, is adapted for both excretion and reproduction. So allowing for efficient waste removal and production of the offspring. So hiyo ndio maana ya urinogenital system. Inafanya kazi ya remove waste and also production of the offspring. So in summary, we can say that the female frog urinogenital system include the kidney, ureter, cloaca. All of these three, they are responsible for excretion purpose or excretory function. But starting from the cloaca, ovaries, oviduct, and eggs, all of them, they act as a reproductive function. So all together for excretion and reproduction, as I have said to you. But my student, now this is the structure that shows the urinogenital system of the female frog. As you can see here, this one the left ovaries and the right ovaries. Also, we have left oviduct and the right oviduct. But also we have the livers. This is obvious. We have the cloaca, we have bladder, ovisac ambayo inafanya kazi ya temporary storage of the ovaries. And also this organism, they have a ureter, they have right oviduct, kidney, they have right ovaries, mesovarium, they have fatty bodies, and so on. All of these structures are found within the female frog. So my student, also you have to know to draw the structure of the female frog. And how is it differ from the male frog? As I have said, this female frog, dissected to female frog. The first indicator to know that is the female frog is production of the more egg. Kwa ukikata lile tumbo, ukilichana tu lile tumbo la huyu female frog, utaona mayai mengi sana yanapatikana kwenye ile structure. So ukiona vile ujue kwamba huyo ni female frog. So also as usual, tunasema kwamba nakukumbusha kuandika heading of the drawing. So ukichora pia andika heading. Huku juu kama utaandika kwa capital letter, but chini huku utaandika kwa herufi ndogo, but make sure that unapigia mstari kwenye hiyo heading yako. So my student, after saying so, and this marks the end of our today's session, and thank you for following us, Educare TZ. Bye bye, have a nice moment.